Hi everybody, welcome to MrsLinsKitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Taiwanese style cold noodle or Lian Mein. Lian means cold and Mian is noodle in Mandarin Chinese. Summer in Taiwan it's very hot and humid and can get quite unbearable. So eating Lian Mein is very appealing and popular. All the ingredients in this recipe can be easily found, so let's get started. Here is the ingredients overview. Taiwanese cuisine is strongly influenced by Japanese cuisine. That's why you see dashi used in this recipe. I have a separate video on how to make different types of dashi. The link will be in the description box below. If you don't want to use dashi, you can also use water. There are many different types of noodle you can use in this recipe. Traditionally, pre-cooked oil noodle is used in this dish. If you have gluten allergy, feel free to use gluten-free alternatives like rice noodles. Let's prepare the ingredients. First, grate the garlic. Next, julienne the carrot and cucumber. For your convenience, you can also use mandolin slicer to produce a consistent julienne strips. With a mortar and pestle, grind the roasted sesame seeds. If your roasted sesame seeds are not very fragrant, you can lightly roast them on the stove top. To make the sesame sauce, add peanut butter into the ground sesame seed with 1/3 of the dashi and mix well. Next, add grated garlic, sugar, salt, soy sauce, sesame oil, spicy oil, lemon juice, and mix everything together. You don't want the sauce too thick or too runny like the one I show you here. You can adjust the consistency using the remaining dashi. Keep the sauce in the refrigerator until it's ready to be used. As for the noodle, prepare according to the instructions on the package. When the noodle is fully cooked, drop into a bowl of ice water until cool. Drain the noodle and refrigerate for at least an hour. Beat the egg. Pour it into an oil pan and fry until the egg is cooked. Make sure to thinly spread the egg and set the heat to low, so the egg is cooked evenly without burning. Let the egg cool off, then julienne into thin strips. To serve, add the noodle into a deep bowl. Then add julienne carrot, cucumber, bean sprout, and egg. Drizzle with some sesame sauce and your Taiwanese cold noodle is ready to be served. Enjoy! This is my version of Taiwanese style cold noodle. It has been really hot in the Bay Area, and a cold noodle like this is perfect for this weather. If it's just as hot as where you are, please give this recipe a try and you won't be disappointed. A printable version of this recipe can be downloaded in my blog, and the link is down below in the description box. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay cool, happy eating, and I'll see you next time.